What's up, guys? We got a flawless briefcase snake draft here between James and Brett. They both won this in the mystery box break to Miss Davis. YouTube, Jay, YouTube. On the phone and the wife called. Oh man, what's up with that, Brett? Tell her that nasty breaks is way more important than husband duties, man. All right, guys. 1, 2, 3 bottom, 4, 5, 6 top. It is a 3. We are going on the bottom. And James gets the number 1 pick. Guys, any cards after 10, it's just going to go in the cycle. It's going to continue going on in the cycle. I know sometimes there's 11, sometimes there's 12, sometimes there's 13. Good luck to you. I hope you crush it. Oh, where are you at? Oh, no way. This is cool. 7 of 15, Stan Musial. 14 of 20, Babe Ruth. And 3 of 15. Man, if this would have had Ruth on it, that would have been insane, especially if it was in the middle with a pinstripe. Lou Gehrig with pinstripe. Bob Musial and Tony Lazzari. That's still a banging piece. 2 pinstripes with Lazzari and Gehrig. 3 of 15. And it's Babe Ruth's jersey number. eBay 1 of 1. Looks like we're packed to the gill. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. 3, 6, 9, 12 cards total. 7 of 10, Andrew McCutchen and Starling Marte. Numbered 8 of 25, Caleb Cowart, 2-color RPA. Number 25, Aaron Nola, rookie auto. Number 2 of 5, Emerald, Tom Murphy, rookie auto. Number 10, Steve Carlton. Number 25, USA, Frank Thomas. Wow, this is loaded, fellas. Numbered 1 of 20, Kyle Schwarber and Tom Murphy. What? Is this real life? Number 10, Chris Archer and Kevin Kiermaier. 2 in 1 box on the double patches. And boys, check this shit out. 1 of 5, quad patch. Lefty O'Doul. That is disgustingly sweet. Wow. Hit him with a banger. I do not envy you guys on this draft. These first picks are going to be tough. James, number 1 pick, my man. Good luck. That was pretty sick. That was pretty goddamn sick. Triple relic going to James. Brett up next. Babe Ruth off the board. James up next. I like this too because we got 2 rather quick pickers here too. This is going to go pretty quick. Feeling the flow, riding the bull, bring the good, blocking the bad. That case was filthy, man. What's up, Blaine? What's up, Tim? What's up, Buckshot? What's up, guys? Chris Fisk. What's up, collectors? Frank Thomas off the board. Brett up next. Lefty O'Doul. James up next. Kyle Schwarber, Tom Murphy, dual auto. Brett up next. Stan Musial, Ruby, number to 15, 7 of 15. What's up, Odang Nick? Just to give you guys a recap. Tom Murphy to 5, Steve Carlton to 10, Kiermaier and Archer to 10, Musial to 15, Aaron Nola to 25, Cowart to 25, and McCutcheon and Marte to 10. What's up, Nick? Tom Murphy off the board. James up next. That is a pretty sweet patch in the Archer, I agree. What's up, Agent Smith? What's up, Roll Tide? Go Blue. Stan Musial off the board. Back to you, Brett. Guys, isn't this fun having your own little draft for Flawless Baseball? Isn't that all kinds of glorious fun? What's up, Blaine? What do you guys think Touchdown Tommy's been? Do you think he's getting more glamour shots? Seaver. I got no Seaver. You mean Carlton, Brett? Carlton, you got it. James up next. You're driving? Oh my God, Brett. Goofball. Buffing his bike, yeah. Getting ready for those glamour shots, baby. Glamour shots by Pirates Duel off the board. Back to you, Brett. What's the chicken Napoleon Dynamite? Glamour shots by what's her name? Deb. Glamour shots by Deb. That's where Touchdown Tommy goes. Duh, Napoleon. You got Aaron Nola, Caleb Cowart, and the Rays dual patch, Brett. Dual patch off the board. James, last pick. Cowart or Nola? The RPA. Caleb Cowart and Aaron Nola. And that was the break, guys. Congrats, fellas, on winning that, and much appreciated, guys, for joining.